The iPhone 17 Pro, released in September 2025, represents Apple's latest flagship smartphone with advanced computational photography integrated into a pocketable device. In contrast, the Nikon D7500 is a 2017 mid-range DSLR camera designed for enthusiast photographers, featuring an interchangeable lens system and a dedicated APS-C sensor. While the iPhone 17 Pro excels in versatility, portability, and AI-enhanced features, the D7500 prioritizes raw optical performance, manual controls, and expandability for serious photography. This comparison focuses on key aspects relevant to photography and videography, including hardware specs, performance, usability, and value. I'll use tables for clear side-by-side breakdowns and conclude with a recommendation based on typical use cases. The iPhone 17 Pro uses smaller smartphone sensors but leverages computational processing, e.g., photonic engine, deep fusion, to punch above its weight in dynamic range and low light performance. The D7500's larger APS-C sensor provides superior natural bokeh, noise handling, and detail in controlled conditions, though it lacks the iPhone's AI upscaling. The D7500 edges out in raw sensor quality for landscapes or portraits, where pixel peeping matters. The iPhone shines in casual low-light scenarios due to software smarts. The iPhone's fixed triple camera array simulates versatility with digital cropping, while the DM500 requires separate lenses, e.g., $300, $1,000 for kits. The iPhone offers 8 lenses in one, via cropping, ideal for travel. The D7500's modularity allows pro-grade primes, e.g., 50mm f for $1.8 for $200. For sharper, faster optics for sports or wildlife, the D7500's buffer and AF points provide reliability. The iPhone's AI makes it foolproof for everyday bursts. The iPhone is a vlogging powerhouse, rivaling dedicated cams. The D7500 suffices for basic forks but lacks modern codecs. The D7500's EVF is essential for bright sunlight or precise composition. The iPhone's vibrant OLED suits editing on the go. The iPhone is ultra-portable, phone and camera in one. The D7500 feels bulky but durable for field work. iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,099, 256 GB, up to $1,001. Nikon D7500, at 800 pounds, body only, 1,200s with 18,140mm kit lens, 2/25 pricing. The D7500 offers better value for dedicated shooters. The iPhone bundles a full smartphone. iPhone 17 Pro, point-and-shoot simplicity with AI, e.g. photographic styles, spatial photos. Integrates with apps, editing in Photos app. Drawback, limited manual controls. Third-party apps help. Nikon D7500, full manual dials, customizable buttons, SnapBridge app for wireless transfer. Steeper learning curve, but rewarding for creatives. Extras, iPhone has 5G, Face ID ecosystem integration. D7500 supports pro flashes and tethered shooting. Which one is the best choice? The best depends on your needs, but for most users in 2025, the iPhone 17 Pro is the superior all-around choice. Its computational photography delivers 80-90% of DSLR quality in a device you already carry, with unmatched video tools, portability, and battery life for everyday shooting, travel, or social media. At $1,000, it's as steal as a phone camera hybrid. Far more versatile than the aging D7500. However, if you're a dedicated enthusiast prioritizing raw image quality, interchangeable lenses, and manual precision, EHL for portraits, wildlife, or prints, choose the Nikon D7500. It's cheaper upfront, $800, future-proof with lens investments, and excels where software can't compensate for sensor size. In summary, iPhone for convenience and modernity, D7500 for passion and optics. If budget allows, pair them. Use the iPhone as a scout and the Nikon for the shot.